In Rawalpindi, Islamabad, heavy rain with strong winds broke the heat. Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Attock and Jhelum were broken by heavy rains with strong winds. According to sources, due to strong winds in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, trees fell at some places, causing damage to vehicles and motorcycles. Apart from this, Azad Kashmir, Bijawar, Mardan and Swabe also received rain. According to the meteorological department, rain is expected today in Islamabad, Punohar region, northeast Punjab, Upper Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. The weather will remain hot and humid in most of the plains of the country.